Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today we have a vintage watch that has this bracelet, as you can see, a mesh bracelet, and we have this quite unique slide clasp right here. So this is going to be just a little bit different compared to those Casio ones that you might be used to. So in our case, what we need to do is to go right here underneath in order to pry this upwards, as you can see, just like that. And now I can slide the clasp up and down just like this, and then I can simply push it back in, and voila, now I can close the bracelet. I'm also going to show you the Casio model in case you have that one. So here we have a Casio watch, and as you can see, usually you will find these with the hole right here and the small arrow that points to where you need to insert your tool. In my case, I have the spring bar removal tool. You can find it in the basic watchmaker toolkit. I will leave a link in the description box below. The same principle applies. I'm going to insert it, lift the flap up, and then simply slide the clasp up and down in order to tighten it or to widen it, and then push it back in. In case it is very hard to push it back in for some of you, what I recommend is to use the exact same tool, and here at the end, I'm going to push it the other way around. This is something really useful that I believe many of you have not seen in other similar tutorials, and this is how you can easily close it back in. In case you enjoyed this video, guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. Also, make sure to leave a comment, let me know what you would like to see next on the YouTube channel. And in case you want to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, I'm going to see you on the next one.